Hi, good day. To my future employer, I am Sherwin, 39 years old, married, and I have two kids, 17 and 16 years old. I am a graduate in Central Mindanao University with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I work as domestic helper for 8 years now. My first employer, Saudi Arabia, 2015 to 2017. They are 9 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, doing laundry, cleaning, taking care of these 4 kids ages 10, 9, 7, and 3 years old. And my second employer, here in Saudi Arabia again, way back 2018 until 2022, I am taking care of these 2 elderly couple, ages 79 and 72 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, doing laundry, cooking nutritious food, and monitoring their health, making sure that they take their medicine in a right time, and informing the doctor if I notice the health changes or any changes. If I notice any changes, then I have to inform the doctor. So, and my latest today, they are 4 members of the family. 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 6 and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities here are cleaning, taking care of the kid. I'm making sure that when we go outside or in an open places, they are safe. Making sure that they are not eating any food that it's not organic. And I love kids, I love pets, and I am willing to learn new things. I know how to cook, but I am willing to learn in your dishes by watching some videos in YouTube, or if you can send me video so I can follow it. I am detail oriented, patience in terms of for the kids, or then I am also an multitasker. And that's all. Have a good day and God bless.